Dressed to thrill, Kim Kardashian channels Uma Thurman at Kill Bill Bar in Poland as she gears up for acting debut in American Horror Story. Kim Kardashian channeled Uma Thurman in the 2003 Quentin Tarantino film Kill Bill in a new Instagram post. The 42-year-old billionaire, who recently took daughter north to see Katy Perry, sported a yellow leather moto jacket with black stripes on the sleeves, much like the one Thurman famously wore in the blockbuster. Kim also donned a sleek pair of sporty black sunglasses as she posed at the famous Resto Bar in Warsaw, Poland. The reality television personality quoted a line from the flick in her caption as she wrote, "You and I have unfinished business." It comes as Kardashian prepares to join the cast of American Horror Story Season 12. Subscribe to our channel for the latest on your favorite celebrities. Like, comment, and share. And don't forget to press the bell icon for notifications.